Everyone wants to know how to make $10,000 a month. The problem? Most of the advice out there is absolute garbage. You've seen the flashy promises. Make money while you sleep. Work 5 minutes a day and get rich. Let's cut through the nonsense. Making $10,000 a month is absolutely possible, but it's not about luck or shortcuts. It's about strategy, skill, and execution. I learned this the hard way. In 2022, I lost my salary. Guys, my family was kicked out of the home we thought we'd spend the rest of our days in. We had to start over with absolutely nothing. Then, just a year later in August 2023, our church burned to the ground. And that moment changed everything. I had to ask myself, what if I could never rely on a paycheck again? And that's when I realized I needed to build something no one could take from me. Now, I help people do the same thing. Escape the 9-to-5 grind and build a business that actually pays them. And today, I'm breaking down the 5 real steps that took me from nothing to $10,000 a month. So step number 1, we got to choose the right business model. Your business model will either be a launch pad for success or a trap that keeps you broke. And after analyzing dozens of business models, here are the 4 best ways to hit $10,000 a month in 2025. Number 1, my favorite, digital products. An 80 to 90% profit margin where you sell your knowledge but not your time. Examples are online courses and coaching templates and memberships. You create it once and sell it over and over and over again. Secondly is the service-based business, 60 to 75% profit margin. You package a repeatable service and charge premium rates. So this could be social media management, AI automation, funnel building, outsource fulfillment so you can focus on the growth. Thirdly, consulting and coaching with 70 to 80% profit margin. If you've mastered a skill, people will pay you for your expertise. One of my clients turned their knowledge into a $9,000 a month consulting offer in 4 weeks. And if you can help someone reach a result faster, they'll gladly pay you for it. And number 4, high ticket offers. With a 75 to 90% profit margin, selling $50 products takes forever to hit $10,000 a month. But selling a 5K offer means you only need 2 sales a month. And this is how I structured Wise Builders Business Community. High impact, high value, high ticket. But none of this matters if you don't develop a skill worth paying for. So that leads us to step number 2. You got to master a high income skill. When I lost everything, I didn't have a safety net, but I had something even more valuable, skills. And that's what saved me. Your skill set is your greatest security. So here are the most profitable skills in 2025. You ready? Sales, especially chat sales. When you're selling in the DMs, it's one of the easiest ways to make 6 figures. Secondly, copywriting. The ability to sell with words is a $1 million skill. Then there's video editing and content repurposing. Every brand is now a media company, and they all need content. And then AI automation and tech stacks. See, businesses are drowning in manual work. If you can fix that, you're valuable. But listen, having a skill alone won't make you money. You need to sell it. So step number 3 is sell before you build. And this is where most entrepreneurs go wrong. They spend months building a course, website, or a product only to hear crickets. I know because I've made this mistake. I wasted so much time creating things I thought people wanted, but when I launched, no one bought. The biggest lessons that I learned in that is, number 1, you got to sell first and build later. Here's how you do it. Find your buyers who already has the audience you need. That's a big question you got to ask yourself. Then you got to test your idea and sell a beta version before you create the full thing. And then also take payment up front. If people won't pay before you build, they won't pay after. If you aren't asking for the sale, you aren't in business. But once you start making money, you need to deliver at scale, which leads to step number 4, automate your delivery. I see this all the time. People hit $10,000 a month and then burn out because they're doing everything manually. That's an absolute recipe for failure. You have to systematize your business. And here's how. Number 1, simplify your offer. The less complicated, the better. Secondly, set up repeatable processes, automated tasks that don't require your energy. Thirdly, leverage AI and software. Use tools that eliminate busy work. And this step will get you to $10,000 a month. But if you want to scale past it, now you've got to start building a dream team. So step number 5, build a team. At first, I thought I had to do everything myself. That mindset, it kept me stuck. A business of one is a business that dies when you stop working. If you want to grow beyond $10,000 a month, you need a team. And here's how you start. Identify what's draining your time. If it's repetitive, you shouldn't be doing it. Hire for your weaknesses. Bring in help for the tasks that slow you down. Learn how to delegate with clarity. Give people ownership, not just tasks. A great business isn't built on how hard you work. It's built on how well you lead. And let me just give you these final words and give you the next step. If you've made it this far, you already know you can hit $10,000 a month. The question is, will you? Because knowing isn't enough. You have to execute. And that's why I created Wise Builders. This is the only community that gives you a step-by-step roadmap to $10,000 a month, weekly coaching and accountability, proven funnels, sales strategies, and content plans. So if you're ready to escape the 9-to-5, build a business that pays you, and finally break free, all you have to do is click the link below, schedule a call with me, and let's get you inside of our Wise Builders business community today. I'll see you in the next episode.